Scott Jordan, live from how far up, Willie?
Hi, it's Scott Jordan again. I'm your technology-enabled traveler with another tip for you. When you take a picture with your smartphone, you don't realize how often you touch the lens, either the front or the back, and it puts a smudge mark in your fingerprint, and you come back from your vacation with tons of pictures, and they're all horrible, blurry. Super simple. Just rub it with your shirt, both sides, both lenses. Our SCOTTeVEST have a chamois that you can use to clean your glasses or your lens, and you will really appreciate this, as will the people you're gonna make look at all your videos and your pictures. So here's another tip for you: clean your lens. I'm out of here.